Westminster, Colorado. Welcome to Man Cave. We have a light show with all these cyber trucks. This is so freaking cool.
Dance moves on at that point, okay, and then hit confirm.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow,
okay.
And that's all I have to do?
Yep.
They
and then
all
shut the
should be
doors.
doing that.
Oh, sweet.
They all should be doing that then, right?
Yep.
I am here at Man Cave in Westminster, Colorado. We have so many cyber trucks in one place. This is so awesome. I want a big thank you to Mike from Man Cave for hosting. That's a cool wrap. Whoa. Whoa, that is sweet. There we go. I wonder. Oh, he's got, I see the top over there, and then this back, then he's got this. I heard he said something about like water. This is awesome. Ah, oh, I know you. What the heck?
How are you?
Did you bring your cyber truck? No way. I know that. What? I keep saying, hey, you need to come to a car show. Turns out it's yours.
Yes. So here. Oh, so it's right in there. It's on wheels. So you can pull it out. Oh, nice.
So fridge, freezer.
I'm trying to figure out how he gets into that for quick access. Like if you want in
It's
the
not like
cooler,
you can like slide it out or something, but it takes up
either it
half the
slides out or
bed.
else the top rack flips
Yeah.
up or something.
This is like so cool though. How many are there? Can somebody count all these? It's like, then I'll get a video of it, and I have audio. I'll have audio this time.
Sweet. And don't lose that.
No, I verify now after that one incident. I mean, I had no idea. I just think back going, oh my God. I really, right here. It's so bright. It's so bright.
It is. Okay, open your glove box. Sorry, I didn't know I missed you.
No, that's fine.
I was like, well, what time is the show going?
We're gonna probably try to do 7:50.
You want me to pull the whole
Yep,
thing
10 minutes.
Yeah, pull that out.
How tall is that? Oh, it's too tall. I have an angle. There we go.
Okay. Yours was the easiest to put in so far.
Sweet.
Okay, so when we set it, you're gonna go toy box,
Yeah.
and we're gonna go light show,
Yeah.
schedule show,
Wow.
volume up.
Okay.
Okay, you're gonna set the time, so 7:50. Dance moves on at that point,
Okay.
and then hit confirm.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow, that's it.
Okay.
And that's all I have to do?
Yep.
They
And then
all
shut the
should be
doors.
doing
Oh,
that.
sweet.
They all should be doing that then, right?
Yep.
Oh, that one's got like an owl thing going on in there. They're slowly going off. What is happening?
7:45.
We still have 5 minutes.
The lights being off means that they set them up.
Oh, okay.
So it's kind of a way
Oh, that's a good way to...
to know whether they need to be set up or not.
It's good advertising for Man Cave, too.
That's true. That's a good point. Yeah.
Everybody's getting their cameras out. Where do I stand? This is so freaking cool. We are in Westminster, Colorado. Welcome to Man Cave. We have a light show with all these cyber trucks. This is so freaking cool. Look at that backup driver.
Everyone come over here. If you put the time on and you had dance moves on, he'll turn it off. So you got to do that last. Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, so,
Everyone in. Everyone in.
all the Cybertruck owners.
And we gotta get the car, the little one driving through again.
Yeah, drive all the way through.
Here's the thing. All the cars are synchronized by atomic clocks, right? But some of them were not, mine included. When I first added the memory stick, it wouldn't read it. So I had to reboot. If your memory stick doesn't read, you have to reboot it so it can read it. And then it synchronizes with the atomic clock. So that's why some trucks were at different timing.
Yeah, you have to hold the 2 buttons for 10
So
seconds.
a good solution for that is that everybody just holds the 2 scrolling buttons for like 5 seconds or 10 until it reboots, and then everyone's going to be at the same timing,
Well, you need
and
to
then
do that
we kind
right
of
now.
kick it off again.
Turn it off by 8.
What?
You need to do that right now if you want to get it off by 8.
Yeah,
Well, you want to do 8:05?
we can do it at 8:05 so everyone has a chance.
Go reboot your trucks.
So that's 8.
That way people know, like, where it's coming from. This is so freaking cool. Nobody's hitting the back. You think about all these people are in the front. You know, this might be copywritten music, but it is cool as hell.
Yeah.
We can open and close the trunk in the front. We can control third-party lights. If they're connected to the cameras, okay. We can control the screen on the inside, but only make it flash.
Gotcha.
But there are more lights in this car.
Right.
He invited me over, and I always just feel awkward when I go to a car detail shop.
I've got my hot water
Wow,
tank.
look at that.
Oh, you should really.
There's so many things to look at. So little time. Hi.
Yeah, yeah.
Look at this. Whoa, that's some bright lights.
I don't know why my damn hood won't go there.
That's a good outtake, Mike. The first take is always the best. Let's see how many takes I need to take. Daniel, it's been so much fun. So I have a question. I know you don't want to be on camera, but I'm putting you on camera.
Okay.
So what did you think about the Blazer?
The interior is great.
Yeah.
The interior is top notch.
Yeah.
Better than most Tesla.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I like that because how many Teslas have red interior?
I mean, custom stuff, but for like what you got, like, yeah, pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty damn good.
Is that was the number one favorite thing about the Blazer?
For me, yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah. We drive these Teslas in like, I wouldn't call it bare bones, but it's just like enough to, you know, get by.
That's all you need.
It's
you
an
know,
okay
like,
interior. It's good.
It's
It's
okay.
good.
It's like you just need a cooled seat sometimes,
Yeah.
or you know.
But
like,
yours look great as red. And all the stitching, great.
Yeah, that's good. Well, thank you. Yay.
5 stars.
He shows 3. looking. We're looking in no shop now. Cybertruck in the shop. How about that? Who else is here? Julia said bye through a text message. Lame. Look at all these fingerprints and stuff.
Look at this baby right here.
Whoa.
Look at this.
Whoa, that is sweet.